Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Roblox Studio with your park place loaded. You need Explorer and properties visible. Once done, make a duplicate backup save so you can revert if needed. Now locate the model or ride you want to change and select its route. You will work on part properties directly, so focus on the parts folder. You will change can collide to false. Follow exactly so you don't break ride logic and keep the backup handy. You now need to turn collisions off across every part in the selected model. Select the model route, expand it, and multi-select all parts and mesh parts. Then change can collide to false in the Properties panel. For very large builds, use Edit Select All within the model or install a trusted bulk edit plugin and set can collide false for all results. Once finished, inspect moving parts and welds so behavior remains stable, and run the simulation to observe the change. You finish by running the game in Studio to test physics and guest interactions. Watch trains and park paths closely. If something breaks, revert using your backup or selectively set can collide back to true for problem parts. Sometimes only specific collision boxes must stay active. Also verify welds, constraints, and anchored flags. Misconfigured joints often cause odd movement. Finally, publish to the live place only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.